welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the unboxing of my newest tool. It's a Milwaukee brand mid-torque impact wrench. So today I bought it from Sydney Tools here in Canberra, Australia, and it's a Milwaukee roadshow for 3 days. So the reason why I bought it is there's a free
lug nut socket, a 3-piece lug nut socket.
Yeah, as I've said, the reason why I bought this one is because it's a roadshow and there is a bonus 3-piece impact socket for lug nuts. So another thing is there is a $50 store credit when you purchase this mid-torque kit. Okay, so let's here in OC, this is the model number. You'll see that one is a bit heavy. See me 1 second. Okay, so that's the model number. It's an M18. It's a weird model number here in Australia. It's FMTIWF12-502C. So, but in
Australian model
in America
for that one, but for US it's a 2861
model number for this one. I'm pretty sure it's 2763 for this mid-torque, because the high torque impact wrench of Milwaukee in US is 2767, but here in Australia I don't know, they have really long model number. Okay, so as I've said, it's an unboxing day for this new toy for me. This is not a new toy, new impact wrench from Milwaukee. Maybe years from now, or a few years ago, 2-3 years ago, when they launched, maybe 4 years ago, when they started selling this mid-torque impact wrench. So yeah, before that, let's have a look what specs are being highlighted in the box. So here it says up to 813 Newton meters of nut busting torque.
Or 600 foot-pounds
nut busting torque of 813 Newton meters. And up to 50 millimeters shorter in length versus the high torque impact wrench of Milwaukee. So, and up to almost a kilo, 0.9 kilogram lighter than the high torque impact wrench of the Milwaukee. So again, maybe you're familiar with that high torque 2767 of Milwaukee. So here in Australia we are using Newton meter as a unit of measurement, but this pretty sure is roughly around,
again I stand corrected, it's 600 foot-pounds nut busting torque.
Again, it's a nut busting torque specs, but the working force or torque for this one, it's at 450 foot-pounds. So again, what else we can see in the box? Of course, it's a 1/2 inch square with friction ring. Okay, So friction ring
It's
or
half-inch
nut
anvil.
ring, as most people or technician called it. So it's again, it's a fastening torque of 610 Newton meters or 450 foot-pounds fastening torque. Nut busting torque, I've said that one already, it's 830 Newton meters.
Or
So,
600 foot-pounds nut busting torque.
Not 100% sure what is the equivalent foot-pounds of this 813, but I think it's somewhere around 700 to 750 foot-pounds. So when it comes to RPM, it's 0 to 2400 RPM. IPM, or impact per minute, is 0 to 3000, and the length of this tool, we will show it later when we unboxed it, it's 170 millimeters, and the weight, I'm pretty sure it's just a bare tool, it's 1.7 kilograms, and it's a brushless motor, okay, and with a Red Link Plus intelligence, the engineering thing of this one, and powered by 5.0 battery pack. By the way, it comes with two 5.0 batteries and a charger, and plus this molded case. So I think, oh, by the way, it's a 5-year, it says 5-year, oh, I think all of the Milwaukee power tools has a 5-year warranty, if not, I'm not mistaken, and a 2-year warranty on the batteries. Okay, I think we're ready to unbox this beast. I've been wanting to buy this power tool long time ago. Actually, I already have the stubby impact, which is right beside me. So I bought this, I think, more than 2 years ago. So it's a very good tool. Okay. So as like what many technicians have mentioned, or this is a very useful tool in the very tight spaces when you're fixing cars, and a very powerful brushless motor with 250 foot-pounds nut busting and fastening torque. So here in the box it says 339. I don't know if you can clearly see that. It's 339 Newton meters of nut busting torque for 250 foot-pounds. And it's very good to be paired with a 6.0, or you can use it with a 2.0 battery. And this is an M12 power tool, or powered by 12 volts only. So again, let's go back to this mid torque. Okay, so again, that's our box, or cover box. This is the molded case, and here's what we got inside. So this is the tool. Comes with 5.0 battery. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that's the mid torque, and only have one bar. Okay. Okay, it's stored in the shop, that's why. Yeah, got 3 settings. So that's the speed 1, that setting 2, oh, that's the speed, okay, and that's the 3rd speed, which is the 610 Newton meters of fastening torque. Or if you put it on reverse, Milwaukee is claiming it can give you 813 Newton meters of nut busting. Okay, and it comes with a belt clip wherein you can move it to the other side if you are left-handed. Okay, and comes with another 5.0 battery. Yeah, another 5.0. Let's check what is the battery level. Oh, again 1 bar, so I need to fully charge this one first. And it comes with a charger, standard charger. Oh, it's a rapid charger already, which is good. Rapid charger, can charge an M18 battery. Let's try this one. Yeah, I'll plug it to the power point later. And you can charge your M12 battery as well. So it's a dual charger. You can charge at 12 volts and 18 volts battery. Okay, so, and included in the molded box is your documents. So, operator's manual. Okay, if you're new with Milwaukee, you must read it carefully. And another manual, and I think this one is the warranty. Yeah, warranty here. I have several Milwaukee power tools already. I've accomplished this one, keeping it safe in case you need to claim a warranty. And you can register online as well, I think. So, as I've said, when I bought this one today, there is a $50 store credit, which is a bonus. After buying this, I straight away used the $50 bonus to buy the protective boot. Okay, so just like what I did with my stubby impact. Although when I bought this stubby impact, I think 2 years ago, Australia doesn't have this protective boot that time. So you know where I bought this one? I ordered it in Amazon. Yeah, if I remember it right, Amazon or eBay. But this unit came from US. The seller is from USA. So I have to wait, I think 3 weeks, because I'm not a professional mechanic. I'm just a DIY guy. So you might say I am or I baby my tools. So yeah, that's true. That's why I use protective boot. So just to make sure they're not beaten too much when using it. But before this protective boot of stubby was delivered, there are some scratches already in this impact wrench. So yeah, but it's alright, at least now it's protected. So that's why when I bought this today, I've already planned buying this, and now, yeah, as I've said, I bought this using the $50 store credit bonus.